Welcome to this video, guys. In this video I'll show you how you can access any website, app, game or any software from anywhere that is blocked by your ISP. So what we are going to do is we are going to use the DNS provided by Google, not by your ISP, and everything will work. So how can we do that? First, press the Windows key and type network, and you will see view network connections. Click on this, and here you will see a bunch of options, and here you'll see Wi-Fi if you're connected to Wi-Fi, and you will see Ethernet if you're connected to Ethernet. And if you're connected to Ethernet, this will not be this cross, it will be like this, a green check mark will be shown. Okay, now what you need to do is click on your adapter, right click on this and click on properties. Here scroll down till you see IPv4 or Internet Protocol version 4. Double click on this, and here by default this will be checked, that is obtain DNS server from your ISP automatically. Click on this, here just type 8.8.8.8 and below this type 8.8.1.1 and click on OK. Click on OK again and close this, and now you can open Chrome and you can access any website or any game that is blocked in your region. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.